Wanna go right if you had love, nigga. A lot of shit been on my mind, ain't got no space left.
Bless up.
Mi casa, su casa. You dig? Come on, man. Now they say the bedroom is where the magic happens at. That's what the consistency, that's what everybody say, right? So shit, this is where the magic happens. I'm gonna say y'all young niggas, man. This is where all the magic, everything happened for me, at least. I don't know about you, but for me. But yeah, man, so you gonna walk into the room, you got your little, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna start with the TV, man, a little 45 inch, you know, a little swivel. I wasn't supposed to have this TV right now. I'm gonna be 100 with y'all. I was really, initially when I moved into this apartment, I was gonna buy a whole nother TV. The TV in my living room was really supposed to come in here on the wall, and I was supposed to sell this whole thing and get like a fucking 65 inch for the living room, but I said, see, I couldn't get nobody to buy this shit, man. And then when somebody decided to buy it, it was like too late. Like I was like, man, fuck, I ain't selling it no more, man. It's over. I already moved. Go over here. Got my college jerseys. Y'all seen that at the old apartment? That was like my main backdrop for my sneaker videos. You already know that. That was like my main backdrop. I had my college jerseys and shit. We got the home in the way, and then we got a good art piece over here. Walk around you real quick, Nigel. A good art piece. This was in my living room at my old apartment. Y'all ain't never see this. Well, y'all probably did, cause I used to kind of blog style some of my videos too, so y'all probably did see that shit, but I never talked about it. But I just thought this would be a good piece to the room, you know what I mean? And I got this nice ass comfortable bed, man. Wait, but that's a good little bed. You know what I'm saying? Miami Dolphins throw. That's my favorite team, so if anybody want to send me anything, man, Miami Dolphins is my favorite team. We're gonna go all the way. We're gonna go here. Oh shit, before we get to the closet, you see, you know, I guess I'm a hype beast. I'm on the little dunk low wave, I guess you could say. I'm on the dunk low wave, man. I had wore these last night actually. Fucked them up a little bit. I gotta clean these, but I did fuck them up. But that's the only reason why both of these shoes are outside the box. If my shoes are sitting outside the box, I gotta clean them, bro. That means I fucked up, wore them to a bar, and yeah, man, it's just, I gotta clean them motherfuckers. I gotta find time to clean them, man. So we're gonna go to the closet. My first time ever having a walk-in closet, bro. So this is kind of lit for me, man. If you wanna come in here, Nigel, real quick. You see, I got the Air Jordan 1s on deck. You feel me? Got the Air Jordan 1s. These are the 5s, 6, 13s over there. And then you come around over here, Nigel. Look over there in that corner. We still got more shoes over there. Don't get it fucked up. And I still got my Christmas tree. I might have to get rid of that. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, but I might sell that. If anybody want that Christmas tree, let me know. I need a smaller one, low key. But anyway, back up Nigeria, cause let me show these folks, man. Niggas be like, damn, but how many LA hats you got? You see, I'm the tall guy in the LA hat. Everybody know MajorKixx, aka Major 2 times, aka tall guy in the LA hat, aka Mr. Black T-shirt himself. Point blank period. There's one LA hat, 2 LA hats, 3 LA hats. Damn, why you got one of the same colors? 4 LA hats, 5. I got another one? I ain't got another one. And I got 6 on my head, so. Damn, bro. I got 6 LA hats for what? But I'm gonna tell y'all why I got these. You see this one? This one dirty as fuck. You feel me? This is one I work out in. I could work out in it. This is dirty, you know what I'm saying? I go to the beach in this. So you know niggas be running on the beach playing football and shit. So I wear the dirty one. You know what I'm saying? The blue one is more up to date. This is the fresher one, the clean one. This one I wear out the bars and shit. This one is, yeah, this one too. This black one is these 2 are the fresher ones. So these are the ones I wear to the bars. So this one is like a dirty one where I work out in. I got workout LA hats. You gotta have the LA hats to work out in too, you know what I'm saying? You can't preach it and not, you know, it's a lifestyle. But, so all three of these are like, kind of like dirty. If I wanna work out in the LA hat, I could do it. So point blank period, man. So we just got like little simple shit, little sneaky ass shoes. Vans, I probably wear these most of the time. Like, I ain't gonna lie, probably like, shit, man. 90% of the time we gonna have on the fucking Van those. Got to. Gotta have on a pair of fresh white socks. Not be walking around with some fresh ass white shoes and some dingy white. You can't do it. You gotta have the fresh whites. And this is specifically from Target. If you wanna, I ain't gonna lie, Target brand socks are like probably the best, but especially the black ones. Bro, I watched these, bro, this one I still got, I bought these like 2 months ago. And I still got these in a pack. And then I've been washing the ones I've been wearing, and them bitches don't fade at all. These do not fade. I promise y'all they don't fade. I got those from Target, man. It's a little about $10 pack for 12. But anyways, we're gonna come through here. I'm gonna probably get like a Supreme poster or some shit, a photo right here. Even though nobody ain't gonna see it, but it's just for the satisfaction of me. So I'm gonna have a Supreme picture right here eventually. And then I'm gonna probably put something right here. You know what I'm saying? So whoever decides they wanna come in my room, I guess that'll be cool. But so this one thing I do like about this apartment. So I could go from there right to the bathroom, or I could exit from, or I could go from the other side and go in the bathroom. So I got 2 ways of entering the bathroom. You know what I'm saying? So that's kind of dope to me. That's fire. So we come in here. This is where the other magic happens. You know, you take your shits, your pisses, your showers. You know what I'm saying? That's what you do this at. So you wanna come in here, Nigel, real quick. We got the shower curtain. It's like silver, white. You know what I'm saying? Just a nice little touch. And then we got the floor mats, black and white. Just a little nice little touch. And then we got Marilyn Monroe. Gotta have Marilyn. You know what I'm saying? I'm a Maryland guy. I like Maryland. Maryland straight. You feel me? And we got the little gold towel to match the dress. You know, trying to have my little decor going on. Come on, man, start playing with me. I got my little decor going on a little bit. Ain't too much, but you know what I'm saying? You know, come over here, brush my teeth in the morning and shit. Get right, ready for work or whatever I'm doing. Going on the first date. You know, want to freshen up, throw my jewelry on, hat. We gotta have the, come on, man, Bath and Body soap, man. This shit good. Hand soap. You feel me? So yeah, man. Something cool, man. Nice, man. We got wood cabinets here. Got wood, you know what I'm saying? It's a nice little touch bathroom. This shit's bigger than you think. Bathroom is actually bigger than you guys think, bro. So, anyways, here, I'm putting y'all boys on game. Gotta get to your face right, man. This shit right, clean and clear. This is just like a toner, for your face. So when I got the shower, I throw this on my face, you know what I'm saying? Just you know what I'm saying, to undry it. I don't know, shit, I just put it on, it helps me out. I don't know honestly what it does. I think a female put me on that shit, so I do it now, and it's been working. So I forgot, I totally forgot, man. Damn, that shit slipped on mine. The balcony, open balconito. The balcony pretty big, I ain't gonna count to y'all, but balcony is it's a pretty decent sized balcony, bro. I stay on the 4th floor, and man, don't show the view, man. I don't want nobody to try to come rob me, like, right? Get the view too much, man. This is a good, it's a good balcony, man. It's a good sized balcony. I ain't getting no furniture yet, balcony furniture, just due to the fact that I'm just waiting. You know what I'm saying? I'm putting this shit together piece by piece. We gotta wait on that, man. I'll probably do a part 2 when this shit fully furnished. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all would want that or not, but I'm gonna try. Now also, I forgot to tell y'all this about the couch. Damn, how I forget about the couch. So look, don't get it fucked up. You know what I'm saying? We got the all black couch, right? This shit look uneven, right? You like, damn, this nigga, why his couch uneven? Why his couch uneven? Don't worry about it, little nigga. Cause when you sit down, guess what? I can pull that bitch out like that nigga got there. You know what I mean? I got 2 cup holders on my shit. What you got? Come on, man. You get it fucked up. I gotta tell y'all about the damn. Come on. I gotta be real about it. Come on, I'm on my bougie stuff now. This is, you know, I'm getting on my bougie vibe, man. I see a lot of bougie stuff. I forgot to show y'all the bougie stuff. I ain't want y'all to think different of me, man. I'm still MAJORKIXZ, alright? I'm still just a humble, normal guy. Alright, but anyways, that is the end of this apartment tour, bro. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I showed y'all everything, but I told y'all I was gonna bring that to y'all. And yeah, man, y'all already know what time it is. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, man. hit that like button. I'm coming with some new content starting after I post this video. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, join the Bitch family on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? And that's it, right there what it is. It's the one and only MAJORKIXZ gang.
Me and Weezy, that's the way.
The ice in this platinum, I did a 180, I went up the wrong way.